finally got something done for myself. So this is going to be my personal roof rack going on the ML55. Needs probably one more coat of paint. Going with the flat black. Hope you guys can hear me over all the damn traffic. It is rush hour out there. So we've got a mount for aux beam, 42-inch light bar up front. We've also got spots for aux beam 12-inch lights on the sides, so 2 per side and 1 on the back. So if you guys order a rack, additional things we can add to it are going to be lights, wind fairing, which bolts on up front here. Put in these little rib nuts. Focus. Focus. Nope, that's not it. Hey, focus on me. There you go. Rib nuts. Nope. Nope. Does not like to focus on the rib nuts. Anyways, they're in there. So we've got space to mount the 42-inch light bar up front, 12-inch, which are actually 14-inch light bars on the sides here. Some cargo hold downs, crossbars, and rear light. So I can give you guys a shot of what these lights actually look like. So that's the big 42-inch light bar that's going to go up front, and those are the 12s, which are actually 14. I think 12 is actually that inside measurement, because these suckers are big, and they'll just bolt in. Super simple. These ones actually use the hardware that comes with the lights, the mounting legs. These ones I opted not to, just to save some space and make it look a little bit cleaner on the sides. But we've got those. We've got switch panels, whole bunch of stuff. Alright, so switching gears a little bit, we've got a lot of sleeves to build. Lots of them. So those are all cut. Now we're just drilling them out. These are our shock sleeves. These allow us to run those Forerunner shocks, extended length, on the front of the MLs after we do the torsion bar indexing. So the Mercedes bolt is just a little bit narrower in diameter than the Forerunner bolt. So we have to run these sleeves in there, and I have to custom machine every single one of these little guys. This is not a finished product. Finished product will have a little coat of gloss paint on there, keeps from rusting, and also makes it a little bit easier to get into the rubber there. Could maybe get this one started. It's kind of difficult with one hand. They fit good and snug. If you've seen my older videos, you've seen this done before anyways, but there you go. Ends up getting in there real nice, like Mercedes bolt straight through. And here we've got 2 examples of our shocks that are run. Stage 1 is on the left. That is our standard Bilstein shock. On the right, we've got the stage 2, which, as you can see on it, has the remote reservoir. Pretty sweet. So same length, same hardware, same installation.